In this video, you'll learn how to sign up for Notion AI and enable its features in your workspace. By following this guide, you will be able to access the powerful capabilities of Notion AI within your existing accounts. Begin by navigating to the Notion app or website if you are not already logged in. Enter your credentials to sign in to your account. It is important to ensure that your workspace is active and accessible. Notion AI is only available for certain subscription plans, so take a moment to verify your account plan details. Confirm that you have the necessary permissions to enable AI features, as this step is essential for gaining access to Notion AI. Once you are logged in, look for the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Click on the option that allows you to open your workspace settings. In the settings menu, locate the Notion AI section, which can typically be found under billing or features. Here, you will see an option to enable or upgrade to Notion AI. Carefully review the subscription details before proceeding to ensure that you are making the correct choices. After selecting the Enable option, wait for a confirmation message indicating that Notion AI has been successfully activated. After enabling Notion AI, you can begin using it within your workspace. Open any page where you would like to utilize the AI features. In the text area, you can start by typing a prompt or selecting the AI command option, which will allow you to generate text or summaries based on your request. It is crucial to review the AI generated responses carefully before saving any content, as this will ensure that the outputs meet your needs. You can make adjustments to the responses as necessary to better fit your requirements. Keep in mind that depending on your internet speed and the size of the tasks you are requesting, the AI may take a moment to generate responses. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection and ensure that your workspace settings are correctly configured. Additionally, ensure that your subscription plan supports the use of Notion AI to avoid any interruptions in service. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next tutorial.